Second, Data Patterns is having strong growing opportunities in defense market. Company robust execution of orders and mixed product portfolio will be the driving factors in scale up of business. Company more than 1200 crores order inflows can increase revenue growth in FY 24 to 25. Number 3, Deccan Cements is a small size cement manufacturer with 900 crores market capital. Now, it is planning to double its capacity over the next 2 years due to strong demand and declining power and fuel costs right now. Still, company is in underperformance and reasonable valuations. Number 4, Heritage Foods strongly presence in Andhra Pradesh, owned by present winning regional party TDP's N. Chandrababu Naidu. Company reduced its milk procurement prices and increased value-added products to help in improving margins and profitability.